Russian Su-57 stealth fighter jet landed in China on Sunday, making its inaugural visit to China, with military observers anticipating that Russian warplane will join its Chinese counterparts like the J-20, delivering impressive aerial displays at the upcoming Airshow China event. At about 2:20 p.m., a Su-57 landed in Taiyuan, North China's Shaanxi province, signifying its first event visit to China as a part of the coverage for Airshow China 2024, to be held in November 12 to 17 in Zhuhai, South China's Guangdong province. If the Su-57 indeed later arrives in Zhuhai for Airshow, it would mean that several types of stealth fighters will be showcased at the event. China's J-20 fighter jet has delivered multiple flight performances in previous editions of Airshow China. Chinese hope to see the long-expected J-35, China's new type stealth fighter jet, to perform at the event. The Su-57 is equipped with thrust vectoring control technologies, enabling it to perform high maneuverability moves that other aircraft cannot, making the Russian aircraft's performance potentially thrilling to watch. In addition to Su-57, the Russian Knights aerobatic demonstration team is set to participate in Airshow China 2024 with 6 Su-35S and 1 Su-30SM fighter jet, making their return to Chinese Airshow after 8 years' absence. With Su-57 and Su-35 and Su-30, Russia is sending almost all its best fighter aircraft to Airshow China. China and Russia to seize the opportunity for exchanges and mutual learning regarding each other's aircraft as the two countries make strides in defense cooperation. As an international air show, the Chinese exhibition will provide Russia the chance to market Su-57 globally. Various Chinese aircraft such as J-10C, J-16 fighter jets, J-16D electronic warfare aircraft, H-6K bomber, the JL-10 trainer jet, as well as WZ-7, WZ-10 reconnaissance drones had arrived Zhuhai by Sunday.
After watching this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Your support means a lot and helps our team create more videos like this. Thanks for watching.